If it wasn't for DoorLoop, I would probably be doing everything manually and take a much more stressful approach to trying to manage all of the properties that I maintain. My name is Charles Colonna. I am the Director of Real Estate for a company called On Point Supply. I manage 25 different properties, residential and commercial. My company specializes in delivering products, goods, and services to different businesses, and we just recently started a property management division where we take care of all of the day-to-day needs from all residential and commercial rental properties, including dealing in subcontractors, collecting rents and such. I decided to become a property manager after COVID-19 changed the economy drastically. There was a shipyard industry and kind of moved me into trying to help out family and friends with dealing in residential and commercial property management. Some of the problems that I had before using DoorLoop were trying to keep all of my records into one place and going to the bank all the time while receiving rent payments and trying to keep on top of tenants. Now the tenants see how much they owe. Now all the records are right there streamlined. Those problems were very stressful and frustrating because it took a lot of time out of my day in order to deal with contractors and tenants and payments and banks, and now I can do everything digitally. I was in need of finding some type of streamlined property management software in order to have everything more cohesive for day-to-day activities, and I did a Google search and did some YouTube video reviews and found DoorLoop to be a very substantial product for the industry. I would say that my favorite DoorLoop feature is the online tenant payment portal that allows tenants to pay directly to my bank account. I really enjoy using DoorLoop as my software because the sales team and the techs are able to cater to my very specific needs that I have on a day-to-day basis. I'm working with two different portfolios that are managed and maintained in completely different and unique ways. Good piece of advice that I would offer property managers if they're new or experienced would be keep good records. And what I like about DoorLoop is it has a history-based log that you can just continue to scroll through, and it keeps everything organized, all files, pictures, and property types and everything. I would highly recommend DoorLoop for anybody who is managing multiple portfolios and houses and properties because it is a very streamlined software that allows someone to be very proficient in what they do.